Hi, I'm Katch, and I'm going to show you how to make these fun, colourful veggie garden stakes for Dad. So what you'll need for your garden stakes are some stakes, strong glue, your felt tip pens, our rocks, paintbrushes, and some really colourful paints. Firstly, you need to look at your rocks and choose one that looks like the fruit or veggie that you've chosen. I'm going to make a carrot, so I'm looking for a carrot-shaped rock. Perfect carrot. Now we're going to make an outline of the fruit or vegetable that you've chosen, so it makes it easier to paint it in. And then simply paint it in. It's really fun to give your vegetable their own personality. And put the rock to the side to dry. While you're waiting for your rock to dry, you can paint the stake any colour that you like. Now let's decorate our stake with some dots or squiggles. I'm choosing dots. Now it's time to put it all together. Run a line of glue along the stake and simply push your rock onto it. Now that we're finished, it's time to give Daddy's garden stake to plant in the garden.